LSU is a champion at building teams. They're a champion at building student athletes. They're a champion at building masters of athletic trainers. We have the best of the best that go into the workforce and become great athletic trainers.
So our students have an opportunity to get a wide variety of clinical experiences while they're here at LSU. They may be working with a middle school basketball team, and then their next clinical experience could be working with our national championship gymnastic team. And they really get to figure out what their niche is and how LSU can help them accomplish those goals.
The Masters of Athletic Training program here at LSU is vital to the success that we have at the LSU Sports Medicine department. They provide not only support for our student athletes, but also support for our athletic trainers. And we are developing great athletic trainers to put out into the world to make our profession better.
We have an absolute family environment between our physicians, our athletic trainers, our sports nutritionists, and sports psychologists. So they learn the foundation of what it means to be a part of a team.
I think our program brings a tremendous value to this state because of the great community partnerships that we have. We've had multiple students from our master's program get jobs in the local area, and they're able to serve their community or further out in Louisiana.
This program does a really good job of really throwing you into every aspect of athletic training, and that includes waking up early in the morning to get there before the athletes have practice and making sure they have time for rehabs and treatments, and then coming to class after that so we can do our studying and due diligence in the classroom to make sure we can provide the best care for them.
I believe this program treats you as a whole person and not just a student. Athletic training requires the trait of taking care of other people, but I found this program, they take care of you in return. Everything I learn in the classroom, I just know is going to apply to how I treat my athletes, and it makes me want to get out there in the world and start helping people.
Anytime that individuals have an opportunity to be part of something so big and popular as LSU athletics, I think there's always a draw. We've seen our application pool skyrocket. We're getting the best and the brightest who want to come to LSU and be a part of this amazing experience that we've been able to develop.